the realm of thought where wisdom's grown stands the tree of life, profound and unknown. Its roots dig deep, its branches high, reaching out to touch the sky. In this universe of ours, vast and wide, where does this tree of life reside? In the heart, in the mind, or in the soul? Or does it encompass the whole? The answer lies not far, but near, in the realm where thoughts are clear. The tree of life, it's said, stands tall in the garden of the mind, encompassing all. Its roots, they plunge into the depths of belief, and its fruits, they bear the relief. Every thought, every emotion, every feeling we sow determines the kind of fruit that will grow. The tree's branches, like decisions, spread wide, creating realities side by side. Every branch, a path we could stride, every leaf, a life we've eyed. But remember, the power to choose, to pick a branch, is ours to use. The tree of life, it's not a myth, it's a concept, a tool, a gift. It's the power of imagination, the force of creation, the source of every situation. Every dream you dare to conceive, every goal you aim to achieve, on this tree they weave. Now the fruits of this tree are not for show, they're the results of the seeds we sow. So think wisely, sow with care, for what you plant, you'll surely bear. The fruits of love, joy, and peace, or the fruits of hatred, anger, and unease. The tree of life is within your reach. It's not a sermon that others preach. It's the power within, waiting to be found. It's the silence amidst the sound. It's the knowledge that you seek. It's the strength when you're weak. So dive into the depths of your mind, and the tree of life you'll surely find. Explore its branches, climb its height, and bask in wisdom's light. For the tree is not outside, but within. It's in the silence, amidst the din. And if you wish to explore more mysteries, to understand life's histories, to navigate the maze of the mind and wisdom's treasures find, then join us, embark on this quest, subscribe, and we'll do the rest. For every week, a new topic will unfurl to help you navigate this world. So if you're ready to take the leap, to dive into the mind's depths so deep, to explore the tree of life and more, then subscribe and open the door. For it's not just wisdom that you'll gain, but joy, peace, and love's sweet refrain.